Pakistani Prime Minister says, "We have won the war."
दुश्मन के फौजी अड्डे, असलहे के अंबार और एयर बेसेस देखते ही देखते सब खंडरात बन गए।
Really? You won the war. Let's break this delusion down. Pakistan launched multiple attacks, but none of them even touched Indian territory. Not a single Indian city, base, or military target was hit. Meanwhile, India calmly responded with precision. India destroyed 9 terrorist camps and bombed 4 major Pakistani air bases. Not just any bases, high security ones, including Nurkan Air Base, which they proudly called their most secure.
भारत अपनी नंगी जारियत को जारी रखते हुए कुछ देर कबल उसने अपने तैयारों से फ़ज़ा से ज़मीन पर मिज़ाइल दागे हैं। नूर खान बेस पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स की मुरीद बेस और शोरकोट बेस को निशाना बनाया गया है।
And still, Pakistan claims victory? Let's get this straight. This isn't winning. This is the textbook definition of damage control disguised as delusion. Now let's talk money. Pakistan's entire defense budget is around $6 billion. India, $75 billion. Pakistan is broke. It's literally begging the IMF for bailouts. The economy is in shambles. The situation is so bad, Pakistani ministers have broken down crying in their own parliament.
तो इसलिए जनाब स्पीकर ये बात वाज़ा कर देनी चाहिए, हमारी कौम यकजा है। मैं इन सब से कहूंगा कि मिल के चलो और अपने रब से रजू करो। ऐ रब्बे काबा, हम तेरे आगे दरख्वास्त करते हैं, इस मुल्क की हिफाजत फरमाना जो तूने हमें अता किया है।
Yes, actual tears, in public, on camera. And yet they claim to have won a war against a global military power. On May 9th, Pakistan decided to fire a missile toward Delhi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr, we have given a strong punch to our coward enemy. Alhamdulillah. Nare
Big move, right? Except India's defense system intercepted it mid-air like it was nothing. No damage, no panic. Just another day for Indian defense forces. But India didn't just defend. India responded with force. The Indian army entered 150 kilometers inside Pakistan and destroyed 4 air bases, again including Nurkan. So what does Pakistan do next? They run straight to Donald Trump. Yes, the same Trump, begging for help, crying for the US to stop India and broker a ceasefire. Trump tweets about a ceasefire deal between India and Pakistan. And guess who asked for it? Yes, Pakistan. But the comedy doesn't end there. After crying and begging for a ceasefire, Pakistan violates it.
उनके राफेल हमारे शाहीनों के निशाने पर आए और अल्लाह के फजल से फेल हो गए.
And then somehow claims they've won the war. I mean, how does that even make sense? They literally went from please stop India to we won in less than a week. It's not a military strategy, it's a reality show script. And let's talk about the nonsense coming from their media. They claimed they shot down a Rafale jet. They said they captured a female Indian Air Force pilot. They even claimed they destroyed India's S-400 air defense system.
पाकिस्तान ने यह क्लेम किया कि उसने अपने JF-17 से हमारे S-400 व ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल बेस को नुकसान पहुंचाया, जो कि बिल्कुल गलत है। दूसरा, उसका ये भी मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कैंपेन था कि हमारी एयरफील्ड जो कि सिरसा, जम्मू, पठानकोट, बठिंडा, नलिया और भुज में है, ये उसका मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन भी बहुत गलत है। तीसरा, पाकिस्तान के मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कैंपेन के मुताबिक हमारे एम्यूनिशन डम्प जो चंडीगढ़ और बियास में है उसका डैमेज हुआ, यह भी बिल्कुल गलत है।
All of it fake, zero evidence, complete fiction. Meanwhile, even China, their so-called iron brother, didn't say a word. Total silence. Not a single statement. Because even China knows the difference between propaganda and reality. And here's the truth. Sponsoring terrorism is not warfare. Launching failed attacks and spreading lies is not victory. The world sees Pakistan for what it is. India, on the other hand, showed restraint for years. But now is not the time for restraint. This is the perfect moment to finish the job. If India holds back again, these terrorist factories will rise again. They are like bacteria. Leave them untreated and they multiply. One more ceasefire and the next attack will cost more innocent lives. Operation Sindoor should not be wasted. Pakistan's economy is drained. Its global credibility is shattered. This is the time to set things right. So now I ask you, what's your opinion on this so-called victory? Let me say this clearly. This is not hate. These are facts. First, they cry. Then they beg. Then they break the ceasefire. Then they declare victory. This isn't military strength. It's national gaslighting. Pakistan, you didn't win anything. You just survived, barely. And the only people who believe your victory story are you.